Learn to prepare chia properly to lose weight. Is it possible to lose weight with chia? Maybe this is the most frequent question that you have asked yourself. If you are looking for a unique diet, then with chia you will find many alternatives to prepare them. Thanks to the aforementioned properties, you can lose weight easily and without starving yourself. But you have to know the correct way to ingest it, otherwise it could cause you serious problems. Contraindications of chia. How are chia seeds taken? Chia seeds offer more benefits when taken on an empty stomach, or distributed in equal amounts and taken half an hour before each meal. The amount of chia seeds to be consumed depends on the problem to be solved. When it comes to losing weight, lowering cholesterol and triglycerides, controlling blood pressure or lowering glucose, you can take between 2 and 4 tablespoons a day for one couple of weeks and then continue with a maintenance dose of 1 tablespoon daily. Chia seeds are taken about half an hour before each meal. For example, if you take 4 tablespoons a day, they should be divided between the 4 meals, taking 1 tablespoon before breakfast, another before noon, the third with a snack and the last before dinner. When taking chia seeds for the first time, it is advisable to start with a teaspoon, on the second or third day to double the amount, and so progressively until reaching the necessary quantities. Chia seeds can also be taken with jam, with toast, with yogurt, mixed with food, or incorporated into the dough when baking bread. How to prepare chia seeds? 1. Chia seeds do not require special preparation. They should not be cooked. Just soak them for 10-15 minutes and are ready to be consumed. They can be soaked in boiled or tap water. The amount of water should be enough to cover the seeds. After soaking, it will be noted that a gelatinous substance was formed, which should be taken together with the seeds. 2. Some people prefer to grind the seeds of chia before ingesting them. In that case, they are placed dry without soaking in blender. Also can be used a mixer or coffee grinder to grind them. Keep in mind that chia has been consumed since times of Mayan culture to keep its people in shape and